Hello coders, I'm back again with another Excel video. So before demonstration, let me show you what I'm going to show you. So if I press Ctrl P from my keyboard, that is the print layout. Now there is somewhere for the preview section. Here it is, print by Microsoft Print to PDF. That will be printed. This particular Excel sheet will be printed out. But before printing out, this is the format in which it is being shown. Now what you need to do, as you can see, there are no grid lines in this particular Excel sheet. Even if you just select this range of cells that I want to just print this particular section, press Ctrl P, and from here print active sheet, print selection, just select this option. So only that the selection which you made, that portion will be printed. So that is not the issue. The thing is that you can simply go to the page layout section, and from there by default these two options are nulled out, that is not being checked. So what if you just check this particular print option? Now if you press Ctrl P for the preview, so since I selected that one cell, that particular cell is being shown, but there is still one problem. So maybe from print selection, print active sheet, yeah, serial number, name, roll number, fine. So by default this option is not being checked, so there is an alternative to this one. So let me uncheck this particular option, grid line option. Now let me press serial number 1 and my name is Ram, and then roll maybe 23. Now let me press tab. So tab is that's another scenario. Maybe give a roll number of serial number 2, and after Ram maybe Sham, and his roll number is 43. So you see, each time I am inserting a record, the grid line is appearing at the top of it automatically. Now if you press Ctrl P, so here as you can see that the grid line is being shown. The thing is that I have already checked out this particular option. This is unchecked, grid line, this particular option, it is already unchecked, print. And I also like to point out that if you check this particular option, heading and then print, and then press Ctrl P for the preview, you will be seeing the column number as well as the row number as well. So I will be demonstrating a way in which I am not concerned about this heading section. So I am not concerned about printing this Excel sheet in which the column numbers and the row numbers would be shown. I am not concerned with that particular thing, but I am concerned with this particular section, grid line, in which this print section, you don't need to check this particular option. Still, if you insert some record, that particular record will be pointed out, and the question might arise that why should we be learning Excel? Now see, in Python we have tkinter and pyqt5 and other for the GUI programming. So in Java you are also using Java Swing and those enterprise edition for web building. There are, in software you build some application. So in that application the user achieve some tasks. So Excel is also an application. So Excel is ruling out that how it was being built. You don't need to bother about that. All you need to do is that we have given you some features in Excel, just use it, and that's how the application was being built. You need to use it. So I feel the necessity to learn Excel. And why Excel? Because since I guess from my childhood 1995 till now, whenever we are formatting any computer, and after the installation of the fresh installation of the software sorry, not software, the operating system, the one thing we ask our technician guy is to install, please install Microsoft Office package which comes with Word, Excel and PowerPoint. So that's the basic stuff which each and every computer has. I think in the bank also these applications are being there also. This Microsoft Office package, and most of the computers in India are Windows based. There are some rich kids out there who use Mac operating system. I'm not. It's not that I am against Mac operating system. I don't have Mac. I have the Windows only. So that's another topic. So So the motto of this is that I will be showing you two things. That is, these grid lines will be automatically applied. That is the one thing. And the second thing is that I have lots and lots of videos over Excel. So the first step towards learning computer is how to use computer, the basics of computer, that how to turn this particular. See, I am grading this green color, and it's something late at night. So what if I want to make this black and white? So you can press the window key and then search for contrast. So there is a spelling mistake with the contrast. Here it is. Turn high contrast, turn off. So I'm using Windows 10. From this here, if you go to this color filter section and if you turn particular this feature on, see this my particular this book Excel, it was green a bit earlier, and if I press Window M to minimize all the application, whatever the thing you are looking at it is in black and white. So that can be another part of, there is a video over cybersecurity in which I have shown how to make your laptop Amazon Kindle kind of thing for reading purpose, or maybe for to put less strain on your eyes. So the motto which my video, our motto is still not achieved. What I was going to show, there was a lot of things which I have just spoke of, which is not related at all to this video. So what I will be doing is that I will be pressing Shift F11 from my keyboard. So I need to press Shift, then Function, then F11, since I am using a laptop. So laptops have a function key, and I'm not using any keyboard, external keyboard. I am relying on the keyboard that was being provided by me by the laptop. So here I can make any kind of serial number maybe, and then I'll be giving a name, and then maybe subject, yeah, maybe subject. So this will be a record for the engineering students. So what I want to do is that I want to apply border to which of the section? These are the section, and there will be some criteria. Based on that criteria, only then, if the criteria follows, only then the border will be applied. So go to the home section. So I am asking for some conditions, right? So conditional formatting, and you can see highlight cell rules. Highlight the cells which follow some instruction, top rules, data bars, but I want to apply some new rule. What is the new rule? Go to the user formula in this particular tab, and then here go to, so in Excel everything starts with an equal to. Not everything, that is any formula starts with an equal to. So I have already mentioned that use a formula to determine which cells to format. That definitely means that it is Excel is asking me that I will be applying some formula. So if Excel is expecting some formula, you must put an equal to in front of it. Now I will be saying that particular this section, this particular cell. So it's $A, $1. That means that if I drag the handler all the way across to the down, that would definitely mean that $A, $1, $A, $1. It would stay constant. What if I press function F4 key and then a function F4 key one more time? So it's $A1. So $A1 means that A is static, but this particular 1 will be, it will keep on changing. So 1, then 2. So in 1 it has some value. Since it has some value, it will be given some format. And what is the format that will be given to it? As something like border. What is the border? You can give any color you wish. Okay, so I'm a colorblind person as for now. So let me again go to the settings section, and from here color filters, let me turn off this particular feature so that I'm not colorblind. So okay, so I'll be applying red color, outline. So here it is given. So there might be some, I mean, if I search for here, there might be some options to change the border weight as well. I am not getting any options such as that. I need to search for it. Now let's press OK. Then OK one more time. Now if you press some value, so 1, and then RAM, and then subject maybe is electronics and telecommunication engineering. So notice that I am the values are going to the next cell by pressing tab. So if I press 2, and then after RAM maybe Ashit, and Ashit is from CEC branch, and also there is someone like 4, serial number 4, though it is not logical. So after 1, 2, 3 must come, whatever it is. Her name is Darby Match, whatever it is, and he is from mechanical engineering. So each and every time you are applying, I mean you are inserting a new record, the borders are being applied automatically, even though you have, so there was one more restriction in this particular page layout section, if you had checked this particular grid line option, in the printing section you would have got a color of a black grid line. So here by applying this particular rule, you can just overcome that particular issue. So that's how you can do it. And since this is an engineering one, maybe you can give a color to it as well. Cap color, what color should be applied. So for experimental purpose, I'm giving it something like this one. It's written gold accent 25% darker, something like that. So in this way you can give a tab as well. So Excel, I mean, it should look nice. So we dress to look nice. In a simple way, our data should look nice as well. So the data should be formatted and look nice, whatever it is. I think I have made my point of, I mean, why should we learn Excel, and the topic which I was discussing, it has been explained. Let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video, and there are lots and lots of other things which I feel like sharing with you, and at later point of time I'll be definitely doing so. That's all for this video session. Thank you all guys, and don't forget to code, because happy coding. Thank you.